Hello and welcome to free.NET tutorials. This is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video we will see how to retrieve data from backend using data reader. So let's go and start our Visual Studio. Let's create a new website. You can name it as anything, like whatever you want, and go to design mode. What I'm doing is, in our database I got Mendo database and table as Mendo. Just open that. You see 3 columns here, like ID, first name, last name. I want to retrieve this from the front end. When I click on one button, I need to get this, and let's see with an example so that you can understand easily. Let me keep center. I'm taking 3 text boxes and 2 buttons for this example. It's very slow. Okay, so more, one more. Let's take 2 buttons here. We can name it as first and next, like that. Okay, so let's increase the font size of this so that it will be visible for all, like large. Okay, so when I click on first button, so it should appear like the first of our database table. It should appear in our text boxes. So let's see. Okay, so I just increased my buttons so that it will be visible to all the guys. So let's see what are the tables we have. When I click on first button, you need to have 3 buttons, like in first text box you need to 5.1, manual and menu. Next, when I click on next, you need to see this. So let's go and create our coding part now. When I click on first, to write a code on the first, you just double click on the first button. So you see a business layer, the code part .cs. So here we need to link to the SQL database. We need a namespace system.data.sql client. Oops. Okay, so we need to give connection SQL connection class. So to get SQL connection string, you just right click on your Mendo database and go to properties. You see a connection string here. You just copy that string and paste it in your connection string. Okay, so now we got our button link. Now button click. Before that, we need to assign data reader. So static SQL data reader. Let's take a dr and SQL command cmd, and we need to open our connection now. I open the connection. Let's write the command now. See, md is our command name, so new SQL command. So we are retrieving, so we need a SQL command of before that you just know what are the SQL commands you just learn in the W3 schools. So we are select star from menu. Okay, sorry, menu, and we need to data reader. It reads the data from our execute reader from our database. It is only forward, it won't come to the backward, like it's next to previous. It won't show previous. The data reader won't show the previous. This execute reader works on the select options, like select commands. If you want insert, edit, insert, update, alter, that commands works on like execute non-query. And data.read method, it move next part, like next row. We need to store text box 1 dot text equal to data reader of co dot to string. Okay, so we need 3 text boxes here. Let's change it 3. Oh, it's first column, second column. So let's run and see how it works now. When I run this program, okay, build succeeded. When I click on first, you see 501 Emmanuel Mendu. Okay, that is what our first row, right? When I click on next, we didn't write any code for the next, so it won't work now. So to write the code for the next, you just double click on the next and you just copy this thing, because what I told you before, the read method, it just move next part, like move next of the row. Okay, so let's run now and see how it works. When I click on first, you see 501 Emmanuel Mendu. When I click next, 502 Sveta Pacha. When I click Vijay Kumar Bhario history, like that. Okay, see, one more thing I will show you now. When I click run, my first, second. When I reach the end of the thing, invalid item to read when no data is present. See, this is the error where when you reach the end of the position, you need to tell the user that you reached the end of the position. Should not give the error here. So for this error, how to retrieve this error, I will show you in the next part of this of our videos, like in the next video. You practice this video and you will know what is data reader, what does it do, and how to retrieve the data, and how to work on this example. Okay, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.